Yes, food safety is very important to us, and I believe for everyone else. And if you see in all 6 islands, it's also important. And it's an area that I think we should be setting an example that other areas we can come together and work together for the best interest of each island. Because I believe when we work that way, each will move forward. Well, one area that we would like to collaborate on is transportation. Like you mentioned, the goat meat, but how do you get the goat meat to wherever? And like the ABC Islands is quite away from us, and there is no real direct transportation when it comes to even sometimes even flying. So those are things that we believe we can benefit on and work together to make it happen. We try to reach out to those that are making a difference, especially the young entrepreneurs, because they, to me, are the backbone of any country. And if you don't encourage them, then who else would take up the banner and run the country for you? So it starts with the young.